Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Goel. Today I am going to show how to make paper bird. We need a square shape paper. If we have a rectangle shape paper, fold it along the longer lines towards the diagonal and remove the extra piece of paper. We will get a square shape paper like this. We have to make few markings, so fold it like a triangle. The same on the other side. Fold it horizontally. Same on the other side. We have all our markings. Now hold the paper like this and fold it on this line like this. The same on the other side. We will again have a square with two flats on the either side and two triangles on the inside. Now towards the open side, fold it into a triangle like this. Same on the other side and do the same on the back side. Now we have to fold this rectangle towards one side, open from the other side and fold it along the lines like this. Same on the other side. Now move these two pieces inside like this. Now this will make bird's head like this, and this will be bird's tail, so we have to fold it like this. And these are bird's wings. We'll roll them using a pencil like this. Same on the other side. Our bird is ready. Hold the bird like this and just push the tail backside and it will flap its wings like this. We can decorate it using colors or also by creating eyes and other. Thank you for watching.